Hello everyone and welcome to this Playwright Python tutorial series. In this particular tutorial, we will learn to install the Playwright. So let's begin. In order to install the Playwright with the Python, we need to go to the official website and we need to ensure that the Python is selected from here and then go to get started and simply scroll down installing the Playwright Pytest. So Playwright recommends using the official Playwright Pytest plugin to write end-to-end tests. It provides a context isolation, running it on the multiple browser configurations out of the box. So in order to do that, we simply use this pip install command. And before that, we need to ensure that pip is installed, Python is installed. For that, what we need to do is that we need to go to command prompt and here simply type python dash version, and you see this Python version. This means that Python is installed successfully, and similarly pip dash version, and you will see the pip version over here. In case you don't see these versions over here, this means that the Python or pip is not installed. Then just go to their official website, install the Python, and ensure that Python is working. And after that, just come back here and proceed with this particular command. Now you see that the command is there, but how we gonna run this one? So simply what we need to do is that we need to go to desktop or the directory where you want to set up this project. Simply go there, just create a folder, and I'm naming it as Playwright Python. And now what I'll do is that there are two ways. Simply I will open this folder into the command prompt and execute these commands, or we have already installed the PyCharm, so I simply go to the PyCharm, open this project over there, and run the command from the PyCharm terminal. So the easiest way is that simply open the PyCharm, and inside the PyCharm we will open this project or the folder and then run these commands. Now simply go here and click on the file and go to open, and the folder just be created over there, and the folder is basically Playwright Python. Just click on OK, close this project, this window. Now this is an empty project right now. There's no Playwright installed on this one. So simply what we need to do is that we will go to the terminal over here, and inside this terminal we will actually be executing the commands. So simply what we need to do is that go back to their official website, copy this one from here and go back to PyCharm, and here paste this command and press enter, and now it will install the Pytest Playwright for us. So you see that it's downloading and collecting everything. You see that the process is going on. Once the Playwright Python has been installed, what we need to do is that we need to install the browsers as well. So simply what we need to do is that we need to go back to the website over here, and here you see that we have to install the required browser. So in order to do that, we need to execute this command, which is playwright install. So copy this one, go back to the PyCharm over here and paste this command over here and press enter. Now it will install the required browsers for us, and once it will be done, then I will show you the folder structure we get from here. So all things are installed successfully in this particular project, and we see that we have external Python libraries over here. And now in order to add example test, so create a file that follows test underscore prefix convention like test underscore example, and inside the current working directory or the subdirectory the code below, make sure your test name also follows the test underscore prefix. Now why we are using this test underscore prefix is because we are using the Pytest over here. So this is example test, and simply what I'll do is that I'll simply create the file. Let's go here, copy this one, and simply I need to go back to the PyCharm over here and just go here, create the file and name it as test underscore example.py. So this is the file, And inside it, this we need to copy this code. Simply copy this one. We will understand what this code means and how this works. So right now, what we need to do is that simply just executing the example test and see how it works after installation. So go back and here paste this code, and the code is there, and you see that here it says playwright is unsync, import the page and expect. Okay, no worries, we'll import this one. Yes, and then we need to install package page. So we need to wait. It's indexing right now. It's installing the packages, and once it's done, so we see that there are no more errors on this one available right now. And in order to run this one, we can simply either press this one. But let's go and follow the official documentation for this one. And running the example test, so simply they say that just go to the terminal and type Pytest. So we can simply go over there and run this example test. So simply type Pytest and just enter. And now it's collecting the two items because there are two tests. This is the one and this is the second one. And it's executing this test right now. And we see the two tests got passed. So this is the mode which is non-headed mode because it doesn't open the browser. But in our upcoming tutorials, we will learn that how we can run the test in different ways. So right now, in this particular tutorial, our focus was to install the Playwright and just to see how we can execute a simple example in this one. So that's all about this particular tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you like our content, then do like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Once again, thank you so much and see you in the next tutorial.